Hi guys, samahan nyo kami sa Fantasy World SM Mega Mall. Okay. Ida, let's go! Wow, ang lawak! Dami, ang lawak. Go, Ida, go! Go, 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 go! Okay. Ang lawak ko, grabe. Fantasy World SM Mega Mall. Wow. 1 hour and 30 minutes kami here, guys. You love the color black? Yeah, that's the color black. Tata's car. Cute. Naalala niya yung kotse nila Appear, tsaka kay Tata. Galing. Wow. What's the color? Black. Galing naman mag-color. Go, baby Aiden! Whee! Nag-swimming sa ball.
Good day. For those kids who have times not of
Wow!
7, 10,
Go! Galing naman. Beng, beng, beng! Galing nga. Alam mo yan? Lego? Ah, kaya pala. Yun. Cute tumalon. Yun. Woo! Grabe ang lamig ng balls nila. Lamig kasi dito. Ben, what are you doing? Ayan na. Oh no. Woo! Cute. Go, go, go. What's the song? I was a girl. Yay! Woo! Bilis natin, bilis! Woo! Woo! Wow! So yun guys, meron nga silang libreng kasama yun sa bayad, yung kanilang stocks. So nag-change kami. Ito daw gamitin namin kasi may anti-slip daw sa tsaka dapat Fantasy World talagang gamit mo. So nag-change ako, tsaka si Aiden. Yes. So ayan, play ulit kami. Let's go! Cute! Supermarket time! Wow, dami mong nabili ah. Wow naman, dami! Pizza! Aiden, nom 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 nom. Joke lang, ganun lang oh. Go, 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 go! More, 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 more! Again, again! Wow! Again, again, again! Go, go, go! Yun! Yay! Yay! Perfect! Yay! Ang cute oh. Yung sarili ko, guys. Ayun oh. Go! Woo! Ang cool! Bumalik sa pagkabata ay. Ayun na. Nahilo na dito, nanay nyo. Yan yan, tatalon-talon lang. Uy, ay kasi, ayan, na-boom tuloy. Nakakahilo. Baka mahilo din yung mga viewers ko. Sorry. Yan, punta dito. Punta doon sa kabila. Astig. Si Aiden. Aiden! Ah, galing! Yes, okay, go, go, go. Aiden, ako na. Aiden daw, go. Galing naman. Oh. Dito, Aiden, oh, here. Ayan, go. Si Aiden na. Ayan, oh, si Aiden na. Ayun. Go, go, go. Jump, 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 jump. Cool. Dito naman tayo sa sand pool. Pero pa pebble. Pebble sand, ganun. Oh, ang cute. May animation. Ang cute. Aiden, here tayo. Cute, oh. Wow. Lawak dito. Sulit yung 550 mo. Pag weekdays. 650 ata kapag weekends. At least may free socks. Wow naman. Na-miss ang playground. Thank you, Mommy. Galing naman. He's having fun. What? What happened? Nawala? Ah, this one? Nawala daw. Cute sa Tagalog. Super cute. Hello, Little Rider! Wow! May squeaky. Wow! Beep, beep! Ay, sorry! Beep, beep! Beep, beep! Cute! Yay! Nakisali ang Momshi! Whee! Yeah! 1, 2, 3, go! Aray ko, umano yung aking short. Sorry. Nag-ano kasi yung short ko, kaya di mabilis. Thank you. Ay, inayos niya. Pata. Aiden! Hi! Oh! Ayan, may LED screen. Aiden, no. Don't do that. Go. Ha! Oh, change. Oh! 1 minute na lang kami. 8:35. Oops. We're going now. 1 minute. Okay? Ooh, what's that? It's a train. 8:35 na. Aiden, let's go. Say bye. 8:35 na. Oo. Diyos ko po. Oo. Aiden, stop. We're done. Thank you, Fantasy World. Aiden, did you have fun? Yes. Yay. Oo, pawis. Ang saya kaya kasi ang lawak. Tsaka ang daming pwedeng gawin. Sulit yung di ba?
Mga din sa loob hindi.
Diba? Sulit yung 550 sa weekday. Bye guys! Shinare lang namin yung Fantasy World dito sa Mega Mall kasi first time namin ni Aiden. Ayan, so super happy and sulit naman talaga yung babayaran nyo for the weekday and weekend kasi may libre ding socks. Both kayo, adult and kid. So ayan, kung ako sa inyo, visit Fantasy World SM Mega Mall. Say bye! Bye! Don't forget to subscribe!